Hey there, it's Margaret from Days Well Spent, and in this video I'm going to show you how to dehydrate your mint. For mint, I like to take it off of the stem because the stem is very woody. I'm going to take the stem, pinch the leaf off, and then just lay it out in single layers on your tray. Once you fill the entire tray, then you'll just go on to your next tray. Now, if you happen to break some of the leaves while you're pinching them off, don't worry about it. Go ahead and leave them on the tray. They'll still be fine to use. If you don't want to take the time to pinch each individual leaf off, you can go in the opposite direction of the leaves, so their leaves are growing this way. I'm going to take my fingers, I'm just going to run it down the stem, and all the leaves are off quickly. The only drawback to this is you are going to get a lot of the mint on your fingers, and sometimes the stem can be a little bit rough to the touch. It's definitely quicker to do it this way if the stem doesn't bother you. Once you have the tray completely full in a single layer, go ahead and add your next tray. Once you have all of your mint onto the trays, then it's time to place it onto the dehydrator. I got all the mint on the trays. I'm going to go ahead and turn the dehydrator on. And we're going to start with 3 hours at 95 degrees. After 3 hours, check on it. We'll see if it's completely dry. If it is, we'll go ahead and turn off the dehydrator. If it's not, we'll let it go for a little bit longer. The timer's gone off on the mint, so I'm going to go ahead and check the trays and make sure that it's completely dry. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mint. And it is completely dry. And it's a dark green color, which the leaves are normally dark. What you want to see is that the leaves are still green and have not turned brown. So these are in great condition and ready to be stored.